being in the music profession, basically I'm a music composer. I was a part of the Nikhil Vinay duo, and we did songs like Acha Sila Diya Tune Mere Pyar Ka, which launched Sonu Nigam, and I did 3 films with Shah Rukh Khan, Hum Tumhare Sanam, English Babu Desi Mem. One of my films, Tumbin, was a new star cast movie, and it went on to have about 6 platinum discs. So I thought the first thing what Holi says is spread love. So I'm going to dedicate a song for love for all of you all. This is from the film Tumbin, which was composed by me. तुम्हारे सिवा कुछ ना चाहत करेंगे कि जब तक जिएंगे मोहब्बत करेंगे. This was originally sung by Anuradha Podwal and Udit Narayan from the film Tumbin. मोहब्बत 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 तुम्हारे सिवा कुछ ना चाहत करेंगे कि जब तक जिएंगे मोहब्बत करेंगे. तुम्हारे सिवा कुछ ना चाहत करेंगे कि जब तक जिएंगे मोहब्बत करेंगे. मोहब्बत मोहब्बत नजर चाहती है दीदार करना, ये दिल चाहता है तुम्हें प्यार करना. तुम्हारी वफा में डूबे रहे हम, है क्या हाल दिल का ये कैसे कहें हम. महकने लगेगा हो 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 महकने लगेगा बदन ये तुम्हारा, हम आँखों से ऐसी शरारत करेंगे. तुम्हारे सिवा कुछ ना चाहत करेंगे कि जब तक जिएंगे मोहब्बत करेंगे. Thank you. Today I'll be singing my own compositions, but I've definitely taken out 2 holy songs for you all.
Thank you.
This was from the film Tumbin, which was composed by me only. Let's go to our favorite Rang Barse. रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे अरे कीने मारी पिचकारी तोरी भीगी अंगिया. ओ रंग रसिया ओ रंग रसिया, ओ रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे ओ रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे ओ रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे. सोने की थाली में जो ना परोसा, सोने की थाली में, अरे सोने की थाली में जो ना परोसा, खाए गोरी का खाए गोरी का यार बलम तरसे रंग बरसे, ओ खाए गोरी का यार बलम तरसे रंग बरसे, ओ रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे, रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे। लौंगा इलायची का, अरे लौंगा इलायची का भाई, अरे लौंगा इलायची का बीड़ा लगाया, लौंगा इलायची का, अरे लौंगा इलायची का बीड़ा लगाया, अरे चाबे गोरी का, चाबे गोरी का यार बलम तरसे रंग बरसे, ओ रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे, रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे, ओ रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे। बेला चमेली का, बेला चमेली का सेज बिछाया, बेला चमेली का, और बेला चमेली का, बेला चमेली का सेज बिछाया, सोवे गोरी का यार बलम तरसे रंग बरसे, ओ रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे, रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे।
Wow, wow, wow. Fabulous, fabulous.
Thank you. I'm not much more of a singer, I'm more of a composer. But, you know, Abuzar, and I've done a lot of work with him. I've done an album with Abuzar and even Radha Dheer. So they are the singers, I'm the composer. But he said, today you must come, and, you know, it's a very good occasion. So I said, I'll interact with you all today. It'll be great being with you all.
If you call this not very good singing, Nikhil, I don't know what is good singing. Fantastic, Nikhil, fantastic.
You know, Vicky bro, right from the beginning, I had a feeling, you know, that, you know, I just had this thing that, you know, we had this thing that singers should sing. But now with times changing and the YouTube coming and everything, people don't mind a little different voice, you know. So I said I must step up and come up and, you know, meet all of you all. And as you know, Anil Kamath, my brother, he's been the main person behind whatever I'm today. Because, you know, I must thank him today on this program. Because, you know, I was just like any other boy from Breach Candy, but who pursued a dream for music. And in the 90s, I told him, you know, I've got a break from Gulshan Kumar. So would you allow me? Because, you know, he was like a father figure to me. So he said, please. And I was doing my law, I was doing my CA. And I said, I don't have any interest in all this. And that's when he told me, you join T-Series, you know, because I'd got a golden opportunity there to join them and, you know, be with them in their business of music. And it's Anil Kamath who said, you don't worry, I'm there to take care of you all, to take care of you. And that's how it started. And by God's grace, you know, I've achieved something. At least I pursue my dreams.
Nikhil, you all both are man of numbers, I guess, except the numbers are different.
Anil is one of our favorite members of the Rotary, and we really worship what he does, and his dedication we worship towards the club, and year after year. And I think the same quality has gone in him that I see in you also.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Even I wanted to tell you all, I always respect all the work you all are doing, because then I'm a silent spectator to all this. And you all are really doing great work, you know, because leaving your work, leaving your businesses, you all come attend meetings and, you know, raise funds. And that's the need of the hour today. It's because of you all that so much of work is being done. There's so many people who need you all. And you all are always there to serve people. So nice of you. So nice.
Nikhil, I believe you have worked with Gulshan Kumar also. Gulshan
Yes,
Kumar.
yes. More than 70 albums.
So can you tell us in some way that Gulshan Kumar T series and how it has changed and changed the music industry?
Sure,
think
sure. Vicky brother, you know, when I joined in the 90s, you know, it was the families that continued music. You know, maybe with no offense, Lakshmikant Pyarelал's children used to come. Yeah, Anand Milind, they are sons of Chitragupta ji. A person like me who didn't know actually where his direction was in life. I just happened to do a jingle, and my friend said, you know, I'm going to call Anuradha Podwal to do this jingle. And I was so scared. I said, what? I mean, no, we'll get it done by my friend. He said, no, this jingle which you have done is so good. So I'm going to call Anuradha Podwal, and you don't come in the middle. So it's Anuradha Podwalji who came and sung that jingle for me. And, you know, I was really scared. And it's after that she recommended me to T Series. And I met Gulshan Kumar. So it's like, you know, it's like a dream come true. When I met him, he asked me definitely all the questions which people ask. कि आपके पिताजी म्यूजिक में हैं? I said no. आपने कितना सीखा? I said no. मैंने कुछ नहीं सीखा. So he was little taken aback. I said I was a great listener, I told him. I was a great listener of music. I know a lot about what things, and I have this small ability to make tunes. Now, what do? I don't sleep in the night. So he was very happy hearing this, you know. I told him that in my school days, whenever I used to recite a poetry, it was in a composition. So he was very much taken aback. And I'll just share with you, there was a Marathi poem which I could not remember until I sung it in the class. So it was like, you know, Ya balano ya re ya, love kar bhar bhar sare ya, maza kara re maza kara, आज दिवस तुमचा समजा, किळविळती बागिळती या नखराला लागूया, सुंदर आहे दुसरी दुनिया. So this I composed in the 7th standard.
Wow.
And you know, this is how it started. And then I told him that I can make a lot of bhajans, and you know, and he was very much happy. I played some songs to him, and he said if these songs would be sung by professional singers, maybe you stand a chance. And I had a friend of mine, Mr. Vinay, who was also a good singer. So we teamed up to make Nikhil Vinay as a duo, basically. And we had no background, nothing. We just pursued our dreams, and you know, did whatever best we could. And by God's grace, we received 22 platinum discs from T Series. So I think, you know, it's still a lot to do, but you know, it was a dream come true actually.
Rocking. Please go ahead.
Yeah. I would like to just sing one composition. It was from a film, Chor Aur Chand. This movie came in the 90s. And it was sung by S.P. Balasubramanian and Anuradha Podwal. सपनों में आना, दिल में समाना, प्यार क्या है मुझे तुम बताना. सपनों में आना, दिल में समाना, प्यार क्या है मुझे तुम बताना. जी चाहता है नई नींद टूटे, आंखों से अब तो न सपना ये रूठे. सपनों में आना, दिल में समाना, प्यार क्या है मुझे तुम बताना. मैं चोर हूँ तुम चांद गगन के, कैसे होगा अपना मिलन ये. मैं चोर हूँ तुम चांद गगन के, कैसे होगा अपना मिलन ये. कि तुम हो उजाला अंधेरों ने पाला, जतन से मुझे. सपनों में आना, दिल में समाना, प्यार क्या है मुझे तुम बताना, सपनों में आना, दिल में समाना, प्यार क्या है मुझे तुम बताना. Just a small mukhra from this movie. Another movie that came was Tumbin, and there was a song by Chitra, Tumbin Jiya Jaye Kaise. I think quite a few people must have heard that song. And many people used to ask us why we chose Chitra out of all the singers to sing this song. And the reason was very simple. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
And Chitra suited the scale of this song, and this song really got us a lot of name. It was an emotional number, basically. Ho, 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 ho. तुम बिन जिया जाए कैसे, कैसे जिया जाए तुम बिन जिया जाए कैसे, कैसे जिया जाए तुम बिन, सदियों से लंबी है रातें, सदियों से लंबे हुए दिन, आ जाओ लौट कर तुम, ये दिल कह रहा है, आ जाओ लौट कर तुम, ये दिल कह रहा है. हो, 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 तुम बिन जिया जाए कैसे, कैसे जिया जाए तुम बिन, सदियों से लंबी है रातें, सदियों से लंबे हुए दिन. फिर शाम तन्हाई जागी, फिर याद तुम आ रहे हो, फिर जान निकलने लगी है, फिर मुझको तड़पा रहे हो, फिर मुझको तड़पा रहे हो. इस दिल में यादों के मेले हैं, इस दिल में यादों के मेले हैं, तुम बिन हम अकेले हैं, आ जाओ लौट कर तुम, ये दिल कह रहा है, आ जाओ लौट कर तुम, ये दिल कह रहा है. हो, 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 हो. Thank you so much. This is the album that brought in a little melody to Bollywood. When people were looking for some melodious songs, and it was from the film Tumbin, which was a teenage film basically. And for this, I must thank Gulshan Kumar's son, Shri Bhushan Kumar, who chose a song of this, because I never felt a composition like this will be recorded. Because it was against the tide, slightly. And this song became a very big hit. And even today, when the film Tum Bin 2 was made, many people hear it. And, I feel very great, feel very nice when people appreciate these type of melodies. It was my style of making music, a little different from what people were doing.
Nikhil ji, how was the music industry before and how is it now? Has anything changed?
Yeah, a lot of changes have taken place. During that time, there were individual producers who used to come, For example, I worked with K.C. Bokadia. I worked with various type of Raj Sippi, who better known as Daddu Sippi, who made Satte Pe Satta and all these movies. It was a very individualistic approach. A producer and a director used to come to us, and they used to have sittings with us. We used to have live sessions with them, like how I'm singing with you all. And a lot has changed because now the corporates have come inside, and they have their own philosophy of filmmaking, philosophy of music, and it's become more organized. But I also feel that there's a little bit of the soul of music has changed. The songs which individual composers used to make, now it's become like they give you references. Okay, now you do this, you do that, you do this. While in the past, in the yesterday, each composer had his own style. Whether it was Lakshmikant Pyarelal, R.D. Burman, Kalyan Anandji, there was no one to tell them what to do. They used to give what they had. So it has its plus and minus also. But I strongly believe during the 90s, this trend continued. But now since the corporates have come, everything has changed. Filmmaking has become more professional. But somewhere down, the melodies which composers used to give, they are restricted. Rather than taking out work from them, you tell them what to make. You start teaching them. So I just feel that they have to be a little more kind and create a little less stressful atmosphere while making music. When we used to make music, it was not a very tedious process. It was something, if you had it, you give it, and the producer is to accept it. But because of the corporates that have come in, the entire thing has changed. A lot of people, too much of interference also. Sometimes too many people are calling the shots rather than one person. In the past, if the producer and the director liked the song was done, and it was a live recording, so it is to be recorded. But now the song is taken, then many people hear it, then it bounces. People say, no, we don't want this, give something else. There's a lot of confusion, I believe. I know the numbers and the box office records are better, but there's a lot of confusion. So creative people are very stressed. Very stressed.
Yes,
we lost Sajid Wajid. Wajid was, in fact, a very good friend of mine. And, but he used to keep awake till 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock, and it was like it was not like making music. It was like, "Arey gana approve hona chahiye." So I think work, like the way you all work, it should be fun. It should be fun. I'm also doing a lot of web series now, and I still continue to push myself my way. So this aspect, I don't want to get burnt out just because of money. So I still work where people trust me, and I put my foot down where I want to say no. I may not be very much in the scene, but I've got my own, clients. And I'm doing, like Abu Zar, when he came to me, I did an album for Abu Zar. I did also a project for Radha Dheer. You must have heard the cover song. So I just believe that one must be very kind today, frankly. Then people like us can make music, create music. Like the way your approach was so nice. It was so respectful, all of you all. So the same should be there. Any creative man should be encouraged, basically.
Tell me, with internet having come in and the Zoom technology now, boundaries have transcended. People are now able to approach anybody globally from anywhere.
Yes.
Within minutes.
Yes.
Also, the distribution of also the theater, the movie production and distribution has also changed, as you are aware.
Yes.
You can, So in music industry also, do you think that there will be changes, because now you can approach a director, music director, maybe sitting in California, and ask him to do something within a few hours. He would transform something and give it here.
Yes. I must tell you one thing.
For Indian producers over there.
I want to share one thing. When we used to record in the 90s, it was the live recording almost. It was a very, very difficult task to record a song. I mean, it wasn't difficult, but all the musicians used to come together, and that feel was there. But and doing a background score, literally it was on my hand, like supposing there's a piece, it is to play. There were no digital computers where it is to project. It was on a film. So literally the entire background score, I used to write the notations and the musicians used to play on my hand. So naturally, with the coming of the internet, it's very easy for me to now connect with a lot of musicians. In fact, I'm doing a lot of albums for people who are abroad. So many albums I'm doing. They connect with me. They say, can you do a song for me? For example, you take Abuzar also. He came through a friend, and then, so I was easy to communicate with him. I used to send him the scratch of the song. I used to make a tune for him and, send it to him. So the internet has broken all boundaries, and anybody can now interact with anybody, and we can communicate, and like how we are communicating. And it's really created a very good atmosphere for music. International artists can also come together. So the Zoom technology has helped like anything. It has helped like anything.
Thanks. Kindly proceed.
And
Go ahead.
one more thing I wanted to share. I am one of those composers who has seen the entire transition from recording on a film tape to recording on a spool, which is a tape, and then going to the digital technology. And I always accepted changes. I never ran away from technology. And the type of compositions also have changed now. I'm singing those songs, but the type of songs I do now are a little bit more different. They're more sound oriented, which you can't produce like that until the sound design is there. Like something what A.R. Rahman brought to the industry. He brought a lot of new sound. So that's also a very important part of music.
Amazing.
There's a song I would like to share. It's a holy song, which I did for a movie Banduk. And it says, UP ki holi, khele dabango ki toli. So going back to Holi again. यूपी की होली खेले दबंगों की टोली. Hey, dhan ta ta tar ta ta tar dhan ta ta tar. Oh teri dhan ta ta tar dhan ta ta tar dhan ta ta tar. This movie was based on a UP plot, Banduk, on the politicians of UP. So they told me to make a song, which goes exactly with the type of mahol, as we call it, the rustic people with the guns. So this is a song I made for the movie Banduk, which is known as UP Ki Holi. I'll just sing it for you. Dhan ta ta tar ta ta tar dhan ta ta tar. Oh teri dhan ta ta tar dhan ta ta tar dhan ta ta tar. यूपी की होली खेले दबंगों की टोली. अरे यूपी की होली खेले दबंगों की टोली. खेले दबंगों की टोली रे भैया, खेले दबंगों की टोली. खेले दबंगों की टोली रे भैया, खेले दबंगों की टोली. यूपी की होली खेले दबंगों की टोली. यूपी की होली खेले दबंगों की टोली. हे धन तर धन तर. ओ तेरी धन तर धन तर. लाठी चले कीचड़ कहीं पे, दुनिया के सारे लीचड़ यहीं पे. ओ सारे लाठी चले कीचड़ कहीं पे, दुनिया के सारे लीचड़ यहीं पे. पल भर में जान जाए, पल भर में जान जाए, पल भर में जान जाए, पल भर में चल जाए गोली रे गोली, खेले दबंगों की टोली। यूपी की होली, यूपी की होली, खेले दबंगों की टोली। खेले दबंगों की टोली रे भैया, खेले दबंगों की टोली। यूपी की होली, यूपी की होली, खेले दबंगों की टोली। सर चढ़ के बोले है भांग मुन्ना का, कोई हंसे कोई है हक्का बक्का। सर चढ़ के बोले है भांग मुन्ना का, कोई हंसे कोई है हक्का बक्का। बोले मिनिस्टर की, बोले मिनिस्टर की, बोले मिनिस्टर की बोली रे बोली, खेले दबंगों की टोली। यूपी की होली, यूपी की होली, खेले दबंगों की टोली। खेले दबंगों की टोली रे भैया, खेले दबंगों की टोली। यूपी की होली, यूपी की होली, खेले दबंगों की टोली। यूपी की होली, यूपी की होली, खेले दबंगों की टोली। हे धन ततर धन ततर धन ततर, ओ तेरी धन ततर धन ततर धन ततर, ओ तेरी धन ततर धन ततर धन ततर, ओ तेरी धन ततर धन ततर धन ततर। You know, with the election type of a thing. So this is the typical Holi that is played there, the type of songs that are sung in UP, you know, where the ministers are also involved and you have to mention their names. And, you know, so this is the Holi, and this song is quite become very popular now. Though the film was not very big, but people, you know, I mean, this song plays during the Holi. So I said, I must bring it to you all.
Fabulous. Only the rain shower and the colors are missing.
Ah, yeah, you know, now the COVID is on. So I really pray, you know, and we all must now, you know, really be happy. And I'm also feeling very nice because I just sort of a little bit of a lockdown. But performing, yeah, I'm also feeling, you know, feeling very energized and, you know, nice interacting with all of you all. I usually don't come so much in the public, you know, because I let the singers do the songs. But I said, chalo, आज मैं अपने दिल से कुछ करूँगा आप लोगों के लिए, you know. So it's very nice. I'll just
Thank you, Nikhil. I have a message I just want to read.
Sure.
From Nitin Mukesh.
Oh.
And he's expressed his regrets for not being able to come. He said, sorry, Vicky will miss the event due to a previous engagement. You all will really enjoy. Nikhil is a very talented artist. Lucky to have done a lot of work with him.
Yes. I must, you know, I have something to say. You know, when I started my career, I mean, you know how it is. It's very difficult to call up people and, you know, tell them that, you know, I'm signed by T Series, and so people used to never believe you. You know, they never believed you. And when I did this song, Acha Sila Diya Tune Mere Pyar Ka with Sonu Nigam, that's when I needed Nitin Mukesh to sing, you know, some songs, and we did a lot of songs for the Bewafai series. And Nitin ji was very kind, very kind. He used to keep coming, and we did a lot of bhajans also. You know, Sai bhajans, because T Series was all about different types of music, and I never wanted to stick to one type of a genre because I had so many ideas that used to flow, you know. So it's Nitin ji. We did so many songs, and the very famous song "Wafa Na Ras Aayi," "Tujhe Ho Har Jai," you know, that song was sung by him from the album Bewafa Sanam, and it went on to become a very big hit. And all the songs I did with him. So I must thank him for, you know, having supported me in my initial days. And, you know, we keep on doing something or the other. And it would have been great if he would have been there.
I will share this recording with him.
Yes. Thank you. You know,
Nikhil,
there was
done a very popular.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Sorry.
You've done a very popular song with Govinda, I believe.
Yeah. It was a very controversial song. Meri pant bhi sexy, meri shirt bhi sexy. And it really, in the 90s, it became a very big hit from the film Dulara. And I'll just share a story just before I just sing it for you. Is that when we went for the sitting with Govinda, he sung the song Right Side Fred, you know, I am too sexy for my shoes, too sexy for my that. And he said, you know, this is a international hit. And you know, you too, you must do, I want this song to be done. And you know, I believe, you know, Vicky Bhai, that I don't believe in copying music. And you know, when the trend is to, when producers used to bring cassettes, I said, no way, I'm not going to copy, because in the end of your career, you don't want to be known as a copycat. So we had a lot of tips, you know. Govinda said, no, yaar, you better do this. Ye, mujhe aisa hi chahiye. I am too sexy. I said, see, Govinda, brother, give me 2 days. I know I respect you. I know the song is very popular. I know. And that time, you know, the internet wasn't there. So very few people knew about this song. So I called him for a sitting, and I played him a song. I'll just play it for you. Yeah. So Govinda comes into the music room, and he says, I want to hear Right Side Fred. And the producer comes, and I said, no, there is no Right Side Fred. So they made a very small face, you know, because they felt that. But I said, see, Chichi Bhaiya, I used to call him Chichi. Just hear me out, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. I'm going to give you something similar to that, but nobody will say we've copied anything. So, you know, I just played this. एक है अनारिया हंसो है बीमारिया, ये दिल मैं किस किस को दूं। अरे एक है अनारिया हंसो है बीमारिया, ये दिल मैं किस किस को दूं। हर एक लड़की मुझ पे है मरती, मैं सबके दिल में रहूं, क्योंकि मेरी पैंट भी सेक्सी, मेरी शर्ट भी सेक्सी, मेरी बाल भी सेक्सी, मेरी चाल भी सेक्सी, ये रुमाल भी सेक्सी है। एक है अनारिया सो है बीमारिया, ये दिल मैं किस किस को दूं। हर एक लड़की मुझ पे है मरती, मैं सबके दिल में रहूं, क्योंकि मेरी पैंट भी सेक्सी, मेरी शर्ट भी सेक्सी, मेरे बाल भी सेक्सी, मेरी चाल भी सेक्सी, ये रुमाल भी सेक्सी है। Then I put a little rap, you know. So he didn't know how to react, you know, but he was liking it, you know. तू लड़की कितनी क्यूट है, तेरा फेस भी कितना स्वीट है, तू ब्यूटी तू चालू, मैं दिल में तुझे बसाऊंगा और अपना तुझे बनाऊंगा, लंदन तुझे घुमाऊंगा, वहां पानी पूरी खिलाऊंगा, हनीमून करके आऊंगा, फिर शादी यहाँ मनाऊंगा, मैं रोमियो तू जूलियट, ना समझ तो मुझको इडियट, अरे हाथ छुड़ा के चली किधर, ओ यार मेहबार ईच अदर। Then I came out with the yantra, अरे जब से आई है जवानी, हर कुड़ी मेरी है दीवानी, अरे इसके नजर में मैं हीरो, उसका मैं दिल भर जानी, ओ भले भले ओ शवा शवा, ओ भले भले शवा शवा, अरे जब से आई है जवानी, हर कुड़ी मेरी है दीवानी, इसकी नजर में मैं हीरो, उसका मैं दिल पर जानी। एक है अनारिया सो है बीमारिया, ये दिल में सिकिल को दूं। हर एक लड़की मुझ पे है मरती, मैं सबके दिल में रहूं, क्योंकि मेरी पैंट भी सेक्सी, मेरी शर्ट भी सेक्सी, मेरे बाल भी सेक्सी, मेरी चाल भी सेक्सी, ये रुमाल भी सेक्सी है। And you know, he was not very sure about it, but I told him, see, you know, let's go for something original. And this song was recorded in a studio next to Siddhi Vinayak Mandir now today, which is now a palatial building. It was known as Bombay Lab, Bombay Film Laboratories. And today I look there, I sometimes have tears in my eyes, because there were only 6 tracks to record this song. Unlike what we have today, we have our computers, 100 tracks. And Govinda comes in the night. This song was actually to be sung by Udit Narayan and Alka Yagnik. And Govinda comes in the night to hear this song at about 12 o'clock in the night. The song was recorded with all the musicians by about 8 o'clock. And he decides to sing this song himself. which very few people knew. And you won't believe it. Even Udit Narayan still tells me, you had played something to me which eventually didn't take off. And I think it was this sexy song only. So I said, no, no, no. I had never played this song to you. And it's at 1 o'clock in the night that Govinda himself sung this song. And then later on, when it was released, it became quite a controversial song. Halaki, there's nothing controversial about this song. But it broke my image also that, we used to make only melodious songs and not fast songs. And this song really, it gave us a little push to our career, So I could meet some more stars and interact with them. And when Govinda meets me, he always talks about this song. He always says, Ek hai anar yahan. So this is the story of Meri Band Bhi Sexy. And it was picturized on Govinda and Karishma Kapoor for this movie Dulara. And it made headlines on all the Times of India's that, the sexy word had been used. So these are the stories behind the song.
Excellent, superb. But you sung it so well. But I agree that Govinda is the most sexiest man that has been there in the industry for a longest time.
Yes.
So, and he has given us such fabulous performances that we have met him once. He's come to our club once to speak.
Yeah.
A few years ago.
His mother is also a very illustrious singer. And his father was also an actor. And he's a very good friend.
Sexy exemplified. Now, I cannot say that about me. I mean, mera baal sexy, so I cannot tell you.
No, sir, you're all very
shirt to simple shirt. I don't know what else he said. But one thing I can say that about my handkerchief. Let me, mera rumal sexy.
Arey, so beautiful.
Yeah, I can never. So maybe I'll qualify with the rumal.
Yes.
Go ahead. Thank you.
Yeah.
We are. Please continue.
Yeah. Sure. There was a film I did with Shah Rukh Khan. It was known as Hum Tumhare Sanam, And this also, there's a story to this, a small story to this. In T series, I also used to look after, a little bit of A&R, and I used to report to Gulshan Kumar and then to his son Bhushan Kumar. So when this album, Hum Tumhare Sanam, came to me, his son told me, Nikhil, just go into this album. I used to work as a consultant. I continue to work. I also used to work as a composer. I never mingled both these two things. When I worked as a consultant, I used to do my duty I never used to musically interfere in anything. But when this album came to me, Hum Tumhare Sanam, there were multiple composers, but there was no title song. And that's when I told Bhushan Kumar, this is a very big film. Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, and Madhuri Dixit, but there's no title song actually. And it's here when I finally decided that, there should be a title song to this project. And I played a song to him. हम तुम्हारे हैं, तुम्हारे सनम, हम तुम्हारे हैं, तुम्हारे सनम। हर कसम की कसम ना जुदा होंगे हम तुम्हारे हैं, तुम्हारे सनम, हम तुम्हारे हैं, तुम्हारे सनम। जाने मन मोहब्बत की हर कसम की कसम ना जुदा होंगे हम। So this song, Hum Tumhare Sanam, was not a part of the audio because there was no title song in this movie. And the film starred Shah Rukh Khan Salman Khan and Madhuri Dixit. So I decided to make a composition and play it to Mr. Bhushan Kumar, the son of Gulshan Kumar, and see if I could pitch this song for this movie. So this solo song was eventually recorded. हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, जाने मन मोहब्बत की हर कसम की कसम, ना जुदा होंगे हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम। हो 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 हो, ये सुहाने पल ये मुलाकातें हम न भूलेंगे प्यार की बातें, ये सुहाने पल ये मुलाकातें हम न भूले प्यार की बातें। दिन है मुश्किल रात पारी, हर घड़ी है बेकरारी, चाहते होंगी न कम, हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, जाने मन मोहब्बत की हर कसम की कसम, ना जुदा होंगे हम। Then there were some lines by Madhuri Dixit also. तुमको धड़कन में यूं बसाना है, अपने पलकों में यूं बसाना है, तुमको धड़कन में यूं बसाना है, अपनी पलकों में यूं छुपाना है, जब उठाए हम निगाहें तुमको देखे तुमको पाए, दूर अब हो जाए हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम, जाने मन मोहब्बत की हर कसम की कसम, अब जुदा होंगे हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम। Thank you, thank you. So,
This was an amazing composition and amazing song, and
Thank
you sung
you.
it so well.
Thank you. You won't believe it. This song was recorded just 15 days before the audio release, because I just felt that there should be a title song to a film of such a big, such a big dimension. Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Madhuri Dixit, and there's no title song. And when I told Bhushan Kumar that there's no title song in this catalog, so he said, no, it's not possible. I said, no, you see. So, then he said, why don't you make something? We don't have time. So I just played this, the way I'm singing it to you. And you won't believe it, I had played this song on the phone. And then he said, you play this song to Shah Rukh Khan. If he likes it, and if he agrees to come, then only we will do it. So I called up Shah Rukh Khan. And, I just sung it on the phone. I said, this is the need of the hour. And can you do this? I mean, it will be a great help to me also. And, the company has liked it. Now it depends on you. And you won't believe it, Shah Rukh Khan was so cooperative. He said, I'll take out 3 days for the shoot of this song. But choose a location that's very close. And we'll keep this song a secret because I don't want anyone to interfere. And then Farah Khan came to the studio. And she said, I've decided to shoot this song in an obscure location in Mahabaleshwar. So I said, and because, they didn't want too many people there. So the song was shot in Mahabaleshwar in just 2 days. And they took some, some sort of some properties like balloons. And there was a huge raft. Because it was there was not much you could do. And there was not much time. And I told Farah also, please do something. If you do it, then the song will, the song will be recorded. They were all ready to, say no because there was no time. And, God was kind and, everybody cooperated and this song came. And this song really helped the movie. Because of this song, the catalog then did well. The rest of the songs by the other composers were also very nice. But, we needed one strong song to pull on, So this is the story of Hum Tumhare Sanam. And it got me a lot of, a lot of work and a lot of respect, which was needed, at that time. Every catalog, every song is some sort of a examination for us. So we have to work the best every day, Even today, I said I was not very, easy. Should I come or not come? Whether y'all will like it or not like it. But Abuzar said, you be yourself, yeah. You don't worry about anything. I said, are you sure? Because I'm not a singer performer as such. I'm more of a composer. And so he said, no, you better come, I said, okay, chalo, main aata hoon. I'll do my best,
No, you're doing well. You're doing very well. And you're speaking and singing from the heart and composing from the heart. So we can see that. And we really appreciate, and we are having a good time.
Thank you. I would like to, any questions or anything?
Yes, sure. If members have questions, let me see.
Anybody wants to come and see a recording? Anybody wants to do a recording? Anybody feels that he wants to sing? Because, I just want to tell you all friends, I never believed that this dream would come true. I would have been in some bank or in something, my life, and I would be frustrated there. But I pursued my dreams, against all odds. I mean, there were too many stories of the no and very few stories of the yes. But I pursued my dreams, whatever. I wasn't very well trained in singing or, music composition or some wizard or something. But I felt that if it's here, it should come out, and all I have to do is, just get things done, So, and that's what I told Abuzar also. That's what I told Radha Dheer also. Ki come out, whatever it is, let people laugh, but you do. And I want to share one more thing. Abuzar's album also is very nice. I've told him to make the videos. He sung very nice, very well. And, he's decided to make the videos, and, you'll get to hear the songs.
Very good.
I would like to also share one thing. I was very lucky to do a song Betiya, which went viral on everybody's phone. It was basically a song for Save the Girl Child. And I got to work with the Honorable Minister, Mr. Kapil Sibal. I did this song for the Ministry of Health. I do a lot of jingles also. In fact, one jingle is very popular during the COVID period for Punjab National Bank. It keeps coming. एक भरोसे का हुनर उंगलियों को मिल गया नए दिशाए ना 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 हम वहाँ बैंक वहाँ. It's coming continuously on all the channels for Punjab National Bank. So so I do a lot of jingles. So I did this song for Kapil Sibal ji, who wrote this, the Honorable Minister, Mr. Kapil Sibal from the Congress Party. And the song's name was Betiya. And it was a song to promote Save the Girl Child. And luckily, I was lucky that all the actors, right from Ajay Devgan, Sonakshi Sinha, and all the actors of Bollywood, Hema Malini, they all took part in this song. It was a 2-minute song, and it was meant to save the girl child. And it had a very tremendous impact. So, basically it was written by a copywriter, Manish Kumar Pran. And I feel these songs which I've done, they touch my heart in the sense it's got a message basically. बेटिया 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 लड़के की तरह लड़की भी मुट्ठी बांध के पैदा होती है लड़के की तरह लड़की भी माँ की गोद में हंसती रोती है करते शैतानिया दोनों एक जैसी करते मन मानिया दोनों एक जैसी दादा की छड़ी दादी का चश्मा तोड़ते हैं, दुल्हन के जैसे माँ का आंचल ओढ़ते हैं, भूख लगे तो रोते हैं, लोरी सुनकर रोते हैं, आती है दोनों की जवानी, बनती है दोनों की कहानी, दोनों कदम मिलाकर चलते हैं, दोनों दीपक बनकर जलते हैं, लड़के की तरह लड़की भी नाम रोशन करती है, कुछ भी नहीं अंतर फिर क्यों जन्म से पहले मारी जाती है, बेटिया 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 बेटिया. And you won't believe, Vicky bhai, this song became viral on everybody's phone because naturally Ajay Devgan and all. But the amount of accolades I got for this composition, I think it's more than the film song, because this song was playing in every school, and and it plays in all these fancy dress competitions and all. And I got tremendous satisfaction doing a song, because this is such a big problem today. The discrimination between a girl and a boy. And I went to almost 21 states after this song. 21 states, and I think it's bigger than any of the film songs I've done, because the type of respect it gave me. Like right from Akhilesh Yadav ji, I went to UP, I went to, and this song became so popular. It was on everybody's phone, and I got the campaign to compose the songs for Akhilesh Yadav when he became CM just because of this song. He said, you do my campaign song, and I've done the Samajwadi song also, the campaign song. So I feel more touched making songs with which have a meaning, or which can create a message basically for the world. So
This is an
anytime anything
amazing
for the
song.
Rotary also I'm ready to do.
This is an amazing song. We have, in fact, I was just thinking that maybe we could use this song in some manner
Sure.
for maybe to for a women empowerment projects that we do.
Yes. In
know,
fact, yeah. Sorry.
then,
Sorry to interrupt.
And then bring it out to the, maybe in some manner, if you could make it viral and make people realize that they must not discriminate between men and women, and empower the women in the houses. So we do many projects like this, and maybe we could use the internet and the social media to spread the message, and maybe the song can play in the background or something like that.
Vicky
I'll
brother, we can do.
I'll call you and talk to you about it.
Yeah, we can do Betia Part 2 also. We can do Betia Part 2, because this problem, music is so transforming. I know many people from the villages who have called me. I had an article in Mayapuri, which is a very Hindi local paper, and they put my number. They said, we'll put your number. I said, okay. It's a very simple 10 rupees paper. I received more than 500 to 600 calls for this song Betia, from Uttar Pradesh, from the small places of and all these small villages and all. And there were fathers who said, because of the song, the mother was discriminating between the girl and the boy, or the father was discriminating, and because of this song, it sort of changed things, because the video shows the girl also doing well in her life. And I think if we do Betia Part 2 with the Rotary, it'll be great. I've made the song also, and we can make this song very, very big.
I'll
We'll
call
do something.
you. We can talk about it. We can do something together.
Yes.
So going forward, you said that you mentioned Aburza's name many times.
Yeah.
Radha Dheer's name a few times.
Yes.
And Abuzar is a person, he touches the hearts of people.
Yes.
So that I totally understand. And of course, he has a wonderful voice. And then you made him compose his songs, and you made him sound even better. But tell me, do you have anything to make a Besura singer like myself into a star singer? Is there any instrument you have or anything composed?
I have. Today there's a lot of technology. You see the studio where I'm behind, no? So we have a lot of technology, and if you just do the basic singing properly with a lot of expression, see, the main thing what people don't know is that the song, like for today, I'm not a very learned singer or something, but I think the feeling is more important than anything. Whether it's a letter, whether it's a script, whether it's a song, if you can feel the song, Vicky bhai, and I can definitely make you sing a song. All you have to do is sing little bit in the pitch, and I can do a song with you. And trust me, I've got all the technology, to make it possible.
Nikhil, I tried 2 times.
Huh.
One, I tried the guitar, which I see you with the guitar many times.
Huh.
And my guitar teacher made me play the same song, Country Roads, for 6 months. One song only, and again, every day he said play 3-4 times, and I played for 6 months, and I got tired and I left him. And I never played the guitar.
No, I think sometimes, people, the people who teach you or train you, they demotivate you, because this has happened to me also. I was told that I can never become a music director. Like
And
people said, you don't.
my fingers became all swollen because of the 6 months playing the same song. And then second, I tried singing with Dada Bilosi Rani. I don't know if you've heard
He's
of
a great composer. C. Arjun Saab, Dada, Bilosi. I've heard all their compositions. Great composer.
Yes. But he chose me. He said I have a great voice. And he made me sing one old song of 1932 or so. And that also every day sing the same song for like 6 months. 6 months, same song. I got bored again and I stopped singing.
See, the old composers believed in perfectionism. Why don't you try something?
Vicky, sing today, right now. Vicky, sing right now.
Please sing. I'll give you the keyboard support from here.
No,
Please,
I don't.
Please,
Come on,
please.
Vicky.
Little bit.
No, I don't sing. I was just telling you that.
Hey, come on, Vicky, come on.
Just sing anything. Chalo,
Come on,
just,
Vicky.
I want some interaction.
Vicky.
Come on, just
Don't
anything.
pull my leg. Like you're pulling my leg.
No,
please,
Vicky, we
just
want
anything.
Vicky.
It could be anything. Let's have a little interaction,
Come on, Vicky.
The problem is I don't know the words of any songs. So,
Anything. You can hum anything. Anything.
excuse me.
I'll play on with you.
We will. No, but we have some singers who sing. Tilak will
Please, if
sing.
anybody is there, please, why don't you all join me? I'll play the
Tilak
keyboard.
Raj
with you.
is. I heard him last time.
Come on, no, Vicky, your turn. Your turn today, Vicky. Come on. What's that?
No, after he tells me the secret, I will sing. But right now, Tilak, let's have you take a go. Take a hit.
Please, I'll join you. I'll play the piano for you. So,
No, yeah, I sing very old songs. I don't,
no problem. Those are the songs that are still evergreen.
Okay, I'll sing 2 lines. Okay, fine.
Thank you.
This is an old Dalit song.
Yes, please.
है सबसे मधुर वो गीत जिन्हें हम दर्द के सुर में गाते हैं, हम दर्द के सुर में गाते हैं, जब हद से गुजर जाती है खुशी आंसू भी छलकते आते हैं, आंसू भी छलकते आते हैं, है सबसे मधुर वो गीत जिन्हें. Vicky, now your turn.
Arey, wow, very nice. Please, today's Holi, you should sing something. Anything, don't worry.
I would love to.
Anything, we should.
But this would become into from a music show to a comedy show if I sing.
No problem.
And I really don't know. Please let me identify who will sing.
Yeah,
If I knew
anybody
the
else who can join?
Let me see.
आंसू भरी है ये जीवन की राहें, कोई उनसे कह दे हमें भूल जाए, आंसू भरी है वादे भुला दे कसम तोड़ दे वो, वादे भुला दे कसम तोड़ दे वो हालत पे अपनी हमें छोड़ दे वो। तुम्हें घर मुबारक हमें अपनी राहें कोई उनसे कह दे हमें भूल जाए। आंसू भरी है
क्या बात है।
बर्बादियों की अजब दास्तां हूँ। बर्बादियों की अजब दास्तां हूँ। शबनम भी रोए मैं वो आसमां हूँ। ऐसे जहां से क्यों हम दिल लगाए कोई उनसे कह दे हमें भूल जाए। आंसू भरी।
Amazing. Wow, fabulous. May I now request our member Sunil Doshi to sing a song?
Yes.
Hi, Sunil. सुनील, एक होली का गाना हो जाए या कोई भी गाना हो जाए।
Yes, yes, it will be really wonderful.
Sunil, you are muted.
Can I just get my mic for a second?
Of course. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
In the meanwhile, I'll request Sucharita to sing a song.
Vicky, Sucharita is a little like you only, totally Besura. And just that I enjoy listening and I enjoy music, but everybody will run. I think let Sunil start. He's good. He's good,
One
yeah.
second.
Yeah.
Check one, two. जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी गम का सागर भी है, के उस पार जाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी एक एहसास है, टूटे दिल की कोई आस है। जिंदगी एक एहसास है, टूटे दिल की कोई आस है। जिंदगी एक वनवास है, काट कर सबको जाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इस हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी बेवफा है तो क्या, अपने रूठे हैं हमसे तो क्या, जिंदगी बेवफा है तो क्या, अपने रूठे हैं हमसे तो क्या, हाथ में हाथ ना हो तो क्या, साथ फिर भी निभाना पड़ेगा, जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा।
Wonderful, wonderful.
Super.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, Nikhil.
Hi, Abu Zar. Now you have to sing a song, huh? Now.
Me, I just joined.
So sing now.
Now I've done my bit.
Final session is on, the final closure session, and everybody's singing, and you came at the right time.
Yes, you have
And,
to sing one song. From
you-
if you remember a song of an album, Jaane Ja Wafa Ka Chalan Hai.
Oh,
My
Jai.
album.
Or any song of your choice, any song of your choice.
You tell me any song. एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र, क्या समा, क्या जमाना था, एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र, क्या समा, क्या जमाना था, एक दिन वो मिले, रोज मिलने लगे, फिर मोहब्बत हुई, बस कयामत हुई, तुम कहाँ सुन के ये दास्तां, लोग हैरान है क्योंकि अनजान है, इश्क की वो गली साथ जिनके चली, प्यार का तो फकत एक बहाना था, एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र थी, क्या समा था, क्या जमाना था, एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था।
क्या बात है, superb.
Thank you.
Abu Zar, sing the song that you sang in Mahabaleshwar, when you were in Mahabaleshwar, or where were you? You sang a few lines and you sent it to me on phone.
Which song was that?
No, when you were on the Calcutta Bridge, Howrah Bridge.
That one.
Yeah, yeah. Sing that song.
वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी, ये शाम भी अजीब है, वो कल भी पास पास थी, वो आज भी करीब है, वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी, मेरा ख्याल है अभी झुकी हुई निगाह में, दबी हुई हसीन एक हसीन सा ख्याल है, मैं सोचता था मेरा नाम गुनगुना रही है वो, मैं जानता था मेरा नाम गुनगुना रही है वो, न जाने क्यों लगा मुझे कि मुस्कुरा रही है वो शाम कुछ अजीब थी, ये शाम भी अजीब है, वो कल भी पास पास थी, वो आज भी करीब है।
Oh my
Thank you.
God, that's fabulous, fabulous.
Thank you. I missed your show, Nikhil. I missed your show.
We just had some fun together.
Just tell us, which sham are you talking about?
At the Sham when I met
Alicia.
Alifia, that was very strange, and now also every evening is very strange.
Not every evening is not strange. But now may I request Dr.
Abu,
Prakash?
Yeah,
Abu
yeah,
sir,
Sucharita.
the word is not strange. The word is special.
Special.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, there is a song which we
Request
have done with
Dr. Prakash Modi to sing a song. Dr. Modi, are you there? Maybe do we see him? I think we lost him. May I
He's
again
not.
request Sunil to sing a song?
Oh boy. Okay.
No, one more.
Talking about Kolkata, we'll sing a song
Please,
from.
one second.
So,
Dr. Prakash
Vicky,
Modi,
I have
you're
heard
muted,
what you
you're
have to
muted.
say. I would
Sorry?
need some young girl to accompany me and I can follow her.
Say again?
So, if you can make that arrangement, Nikhil, by
Yeah,
the way,
yeah.
I want to take a minute to compliment you. And Anil worked with me for many years, and I've met your mother through Professor A.N. Kothare. And that is how I know about your passion, and congratulations for following what your determination was.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So kind of
So,
you.
Dr. Modi, your voice is a little faint.
okay, I'll try to make it louder, but oh shit. This is where technology doesn't come to the help of a
We
young
can, we
man.
can hear you, Prakash.
We can hear you. We can hear you perfectly.
But we can hear you.
Okay.
But we can hear
And
you. Now
Abu
it's
sir, outstanding as always. Is Alifia ji there? Then we can hear you in a duet.
Thank you, Prakash. You know, Alifia will not, she thinks she's not a good singer. That's what she thinks.
But that's up to us to judge, right, Prabhu sir ji? No, but Nikhil, great job. And I'm so glad that, to be frank with you, Chila Chili chhod ke tulaza vatla tech tu galan. I appreciate that
Yes,
a
yes.
lot.
Thank you so much. You know, there was not much time for me to adjust, bring the tracks and all. I've been working day and night. And I told Abuza, I'll just sing from my heart, whatever I could.
मी
I'll do it.
अनिलने सुद्धा मेसेज पाठवलाय की भावानी इतकं तुझं कौतूहल केलं. I'm really appreciating
No.
that.
Whatever I am today is because of him. Because
तो
you
कुठे
know,
गेलास, कुठे सोडून
there are so
गेलास?
many people who come on various, positions, but in their real life, they may be very big failures. In my case, it was Anil who told me, if you feel this is your career, you just quit everything and do this. And I'm there to support you. Don't worry. And believe me, I took it very seriously. The day I joined T-Series, I knew I had to make it. And, I didn't distract myself. I was totally into music. And by God's grace, I finished more than 100 projects. They're all on YouTube. If you type Nikhil Vinay or you type Nikhil Kamath. And,
बिल्कुल.
So I today on this platform, it's my grateful message that I thank Anil for. Otherwise, I would be some frustrated man somewhere, who wouldn't be able to, who hasn't fulfilled his dreams.
But
So
where
because
is
of-
he? Has he left the
No, I'm here. I'm very much here and I can hear you. Thank you very much for all the compliments. Sir.
Yeah.
Anil Tula have sent a small.
Yes, I can hear all
No, because
of you.
he supported me throughout my career.
Yeah.
And when my father was not there, he took care of us. So there are no words to express.
Congratulations to Sandhya and you.
Thank you very much, Prakash bhai.
If I can
And I had a
only
great
add
time,
and say,
just like, I had a great time with you for 4 years. It was a great 4 years with you too.
Afterwards, the frank thing was I couldn't afford you, Anil. So nothing, the point is as simple as that. But our friendship has always remained, and I really have cherished even meeting your mother to Professor Kothare and everybody.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yes.
if I may add to that, Nikhil, Anil is our family in the family of Midtown. You're Anil's brother. So you have an extended family in the entire Midtown Club.
Yes, so nice, so kind of you.
You must please remember that, and we are there for you.
Yes, and
anything
I'm also
in the
there.
future.
We can do many projects together, and music is a great media to to spread things faster. So
So
I will
Vicky, you
definitely.
gave me. So Vicky, you gave me 2 minutes of very precious time with Anil and Nikhil. Thank you very much. Now leave the singing to whoever is more capable.
No, please sing. Please sing. I'll accompany you.
Thank you. मी थोडी अशी सितार वाजवतो रे, पण नथिंग सिरियस. एकदा बसून आपण बोलूया.
So we will ask Sunil once again, and followed by the last song from Nikhil himself.
Excellent.
Okay.
Hi Sunil, congratulations. Well
Hi
done.
Prakash Bhai. Hi. Okay, this is a song, of course, sung on in Kolkata, Rajesh Khanna and Sharmila Tagore. चिंगारी कोई भड़के चिंगारी कोई भड़के तो सावन उसे बुझाए सावन जो अग्न लगाए उसे कौन बुझाए उसे कौन बुझाए पतझड़ जो बाग उजाड़े वो बाग बहार खिलाए जो बाग बहार में उजड़े उसे कौन खिलाए उसे कौन खिलाए हमसे मत पूछो कैसे मंदिर टूटा सपनों का हमसे मत पूछो कैसे मंदिर टूटा सपनों का लोगों की बात नहीं है ये किस्सा है अपनों का कोई दुश्मन ठेस लगाए तो मीत जिया बहलाए मन मीत जो घाव लगाए उसे कौन मिटाए Just one antra.
Amazing, Sunil.
Thank you.
मेरे को थोड़ा तो सिखा दे कैसा गाने का थोड़ा
अरे वाह।
become your saver.
No, he has a very good feel. You should do something. You have a very good feel. That half the battle is won. When you sing
Thank
from your
you.
heart,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter.
If you want to come out with an album, then Nikhil Kamath is the right guy.
Absolutely.
No, we'll do one song. See, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
YouTube and so many now. There's so many things which are there. Once
Yeah.
upon a time, what happened was you had to release your cassettes. So there was a
True.
issue of marketing. There was a issue
Yeah.
कि माल पहुंच गया क्या Bihar, Patna, because I've been in T series. Today it's
Right.
absolutely you have the internet. So there are people who can like anything. So if you have the ability, you should make one song, and maybe try to do an original song, because when you do an original song, you can monetize it.
Oh, you mean to say somebody makes the lyrics and you
Yes,
do the
I can
music
make
and
it for you.
everything?
I can make it. You can do a song for the Rotary, or you can sing
Yeah.
motivational songs, or there are so many things. And like I just put one devotional video recently on my channel.
Yeah.
It was just a
Yeah.
pravachan of Swami Samartha. Lots, like Sai Baba, there is Swami Samartha, and it has garnered
Yeah.
more than 15 to 20 lakh views. And I got a
Wow.
message from YouTube, ki please monetize your channel.
My God.
So,
Okay.
and this man is not some pravachankar or some, great
Yeah.
orator or something. He was a simple bhadji. So all I'm saying is, if you feel there is some talent and you can steal some time, like, there is a song which we have done with Sadhna Sargam, Abu Zar and Sadhna Sargam. So that's what I
Oh.
told him. And she always asks me also, when is that song going to be released? Oh, usne bhi bahut acha gaya. It's a sad song, So I was telling Abu Zar ki Sadhna Sargam is asking, ki गाना कब release होगा?
Yeah, we should come out.
Yeah, we should come out with that song.
Mohan wants to say something. Mohan Shani. Mohan, you'll have to unmute yourself.
So I'll make something for you.
Yeah, Nikhil, I'll definitely get in touch with you.
Sure,
I'll
sure.
take the number from
Oh,
Vicky.
welcome. You should
he'll do
try one
something.
or two songs. You don't have to do
Yeah,
more.
that's what.
See the
That's
response.
what. I love singing. Yeah, it's
And
just
you won't believe it.
amazing.
You don't, because people today, when I used to sing initially in the sittings, they used to tell me, "Aap Shanu jaisa gao, aap Sonu jaisa gao," and I used to feel very, I used to wonder what is happening, and and today people say, no, you sing in your natural voice.
Exactly.
Things have changed. You don't have to sing like
Yeah.
Kumar Sanu just because he's
No,
going
you
to
don't
sing.
have to. Absolutely
So
not.
the world has changed. The world has changed.
Yeah.
So it's a
Yeah.
very good sign. People are ready for a new tone, new voice. They're open. The internet has created so much of
Oh,
freedom.
phenomenal. Opportunities are amazing
Yes.
for your talent.
I will share you Nikhil's numbers only
Yeah, sure.
after you teach me how
Please.
to sing one song.
yeah,
one
sure.
Vicky. Hi, Vicky.
Yes, Mohan. Welcome.
Yeah, I must congratulate Sunil Doshi because hidden talent in our club. And about
Thank
Nikhil,
you.
I must have met him 100 times in his house because I was in and out of Anil's house for ages and like a younger brother to all of us. And I was amazed when I heard the other day Radha Dee's song in his studio. And all. Something new, a revelation, what a great person he is. Now coming back to about what Sunil can do and what we can do. First of all, my request to Nikhil is please think of joining Rotary.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Thank you.
Great. So we've got a fantastic talent with us now. He's confirmed it.
Yeah, it'll be a pleasure. It'll be a pleasure.
We have the famous four-way test, and I would like Sunil to compose some song on the four-way test. I don't think there's been anything like that ever before. And with Nikhil's help, the music that you can create will be phenomenal. It can go worldwide. What do you think, Vicky?
What a great idea. What a great idea.
Why not? Why not? Of course. That's why I'll tie up with Nikhil once he becomes a member.
Yeah, sure. Welcome.
Just kidding.
As I said, when I came into this field,
I will propose you.
I never imagined what will happen. I've worked with Lata Mangeshkar. I've worked with Asha Bhosle, and there is one song which I want to share with you all. The song is from the movie Tumbin, which was sung by Jagjit Singh. Koi faryad tere dil mein dabi ho aise. And Jagjit Singh, he called me from London when the song was released, and he said, "I've never heard my song play in a pub, and I never heard a slow song play in a pub." And he called me. I remember the plus, and he said, "Nikhil, you got me into the youth because people 40 plus is to hear Jagjit Singh, or maybe 45 plus. The youngsters were not." And this movie Tumbin, when it was made by Anubhav Sinha, I decided to give this a different type of a song with Jagjit Singh. And Koi Faryad, it was still sung by the youth. So that day, even Jagjit Singh never believed that the youngsters would listen to his music. He said the mature people will listen, maybe 30 plus. So, I mean, when he called me up and he told me, "Yaar, मेरा गाना pub में बज रहा है यार, मैं पैक पी रहा हूँ." So I said, "Jagdish ji, it was nice of you to have sung it." So Koi Faryad proved everybody wrong. When I proposed the song to Bhushan Kumar, they said, "Are you sure?" I said, "I'm damn sure. It's a teenage movie." I said, "You see what will happen." Till today, the song is at least 3,000-4,000 versions of the song has been made, and it came. So I would just like to sing one part of Koi Faryad. What? कोई फरियाद तेरे दिल में दबी हो जैसे, कोई फरियाद तेरे दिल में दबी हो जैसे, तूने आंखों से कोई बात कही हो जैसे, जागते जागते एक उम्र कटी हो जैसे, जान बाकी है मगर सांस रुकी हो जैसे, कोई फरियाद तेरे दिल में दबी हो जैसे, हर मुलाकात पे महसूस यही होता है, हर मुलाकात पे महसूस यही होता है, मुझसे कुछ तेरी नजर पूछ रही हो जैसे, कोई फरियाद तेरे दिल में दबी हो जैसे, हो 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 हो।
God, this was so good. You sang so well.
Thank you. I mean, the original song, if you can hear it, by Jagjit Singh, it has got so many 1,000 million views, So I'm grateful to you all your audiences, basically, who appreciate us artists,
Fully dil se gaya aapne, dil se gaya.
Fantastic and very good.
Thank you. I don't have I didn't have much time to arrange any tracks or any musicians, but next time, we'll make it more interactive with, more musicians. I'll get some singers also to perform my songs.
I just wanted to say one thing, that
Sure.
there is one person in this audience just now who knows Nikhil from his childhood, and that is Mr. Rotary Mohan Shani.
Yes, yes.
Mohan he has been right from, he's a family. Actually, he's as good as my own father. And he and Shanti have been our friends for last, I don't know, ever since I joined Rotary. And he has been coming home and he has seen Nikhil as a young child, and he has seen my children born and grown. And I think he has always been talking about Nikhil and asking me how is he doing. And whenever the Ganpati festivals were there, Nikhil was there, and
Yes.
Mohan
yes.
used to be there. Mohan, you are there. I think you must
Yes.
say hello to Nikhil.
Yeah, it's mute. It's muted.
He already spoke to Nikhil. He spoke to
spoke
Nikhil.
Oh,
at
he
the
spoke
end.
to Nikhil.
I want to
Okay. I
also
came in
share-
a little late.
Share one thing.
Yeah.
And introduce, and also he also invited Nikhil to join our club as a member.
Wonderful.
Yes.
But I
Thank
must
you
share
so
that
much.
with you, because he's
Thank
right from his young little boy that Nikhil was. He knows Mohan, and Mohan knows him.
I would
I
like
think
to share
also
one more thing.
Yes.
I was the protected child of the family, and my mother was very worried about me. The Anil, the chartered accountant, Zala, Ranjuchi Lagna Zali. But what about this person? So I'm so happy today for you all have brought me on this show, because today my brother is there. I wanted to do everything for him. I wanted to prove that the trust he had in me.
Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you.
When I told
I think
him,
the Rotary would have really enjoyed your program today, and also all the people you brought to the forefront to make them sing. They're also great. They enjoy music a lot. It's a club that enjoys great music.
Yes,
And
we'll do.
opportunities for everybody to enjoy this holy day.
You know, I
Great day.
have a very nice band. So now, you know, like here we are just kacha we are doing. I'll come and do a proper show for you all. You know, with my
Wow,
group, we have a very nice band. Good singers also. I still consider myself, I'm not a singer basically, but thank you, you know, Rotary, because today I really feel I've done something in my life. Today,
Thank you.
my brother is there. You know, because I was the, you know, protected child, whether kiska kya hone wala hai. And, you know, that's why I used to work very hard. You know, I never rested in the 90s. There was not a single day because we were in charge of private music in T-Series. That's why Gulshan Kumar never liked me to do movies, but private albums he was ready. You increase my library of music, you know. But I did venture out doing movies with Shah Rukh also, English Babu this. So today I'm so happy that, you know, I feel I've achieved something today, though we have to work very hard. And I thank Rotary for this. I thank Abuzar. I thank all of you all. I thank you, Vicky brother. And, you know, that I'm here today. Thank you so much.
Nikhil, we really enjoyed. One more member who is very fond of you and your family is, we have with us is Rajesh Shah's wife, Preeti Shah. I think she's close to your sister, Ranju.
Acha, so nice, so nice. Hi, Preeti.
You know, and Rajesh is, I'm not sure if he's still here, and Preeti was here. So this was so heartwarming, and right from the start, since you're Anil's brother, right from the start, we were like enjoying ourselves, and we were starting from there. And also, you have proved that as an individual also, you have performed so well, and my feelings and for you have totally soared through.
Thank you so much.
The meeting, and thank you for joining us. And we wish you will join us as a member also.
Yes. Surely.
And we will also work towards the video that we want to make for Rotary.
Sure.
The song along with you.
Anytime. And I think there's a lot of talent here, you know, a lot of talent. You almost, if something is there, I'm always ready to be there for you all, and just put it out. There's nothing to lose. And, you know, at least your dreams will be fulfilled, you know.
Yeah, I'll share your numbers with the members also.
Yes, anytime. If anybody needs any assistance, wants to do any video or anything, welcome. And I promise you one thing, once in this world of music, you know, people say that you'll never get stressed. See, I in the COVID, I made about 140 compositions. I never got bored. You know, music, like Sunil ji knows what I'm talking about. Yeah, he's a businessman, but he always takes out time. You know, he's set up his system. It's a great solace. And people who are into music, you know, their health also remains very nice. You know, if you do mantras or, you know,
True.
it's a very great friend. It's a absolute de-stressor, you know. So
Dr. Dilip
I
Raja
know a few
compliments you.
people. I know a few friends who've cured asthma by singing. You know, it's gone.
Yes, I'll tell you my story. It's when I was small, I had a very rough voice. So many people believed I couldn't be a composer because a composer has to express his compositions. So I decided that apart from this thing, I should start singing. So the low of my voice slowly disappeared. It was very hoarse, like, "Hey bro, how are you?" It was like this. And when people hear my voice now, they say, "How did it happen?" Because it was too hoarse and too low. And, you know, I started singing. You know, I said, whatever it is, I'll start. If I make a song, I'll sing it 100 times, whether people like it or not. And slowly the timbre of my voice started changing. I used to get petrified when I had to play a song to a singer. But today I don't get petrified because I said, I will sing, you know, whether people like it. So the treble in the voice increased. You know, so, you know, music has so much power. It can heal you, it can cure you, it can do anything.
You know, there's a story of Kishore Kumar which I just came across.
Please.
How did he get his voice? You know, so when he was a kid, the guy cut in Khandwa or wherever, he cut his little toe. And he was crying for 4 days continuously. And apparently that opened up his vocal cords or whatever.
Yes,
That's a
yes,
story I
it's
just
true.
heard it.
It's true.
Yeah?
It's true.
Yeah?
Because Ashok Kumar has, you know, he has said that this is a fact.
My
So
God.
because I had this passion, but what's the point of passion if you can't, if you don't have a keyboard? And I'm a self-taught keyboard player. I didn't have
Oh.
anybody to teach me. I started music after my law college.
Fantastic. Yeah.
So I used to hear ragas, like when somebody told me make a song in Bhairavi. The song I played for Shah Rukh Khan's movie is in Bhairavi. जाने मन मोहब्बत की हर कसम की कसम ना जुदा होंगे हम. So I don't know Bhairavi, but I know that this composition is in Bhairavi because I heard Bhairavi. So I self-taught myself because there was no time to go into the small bariki of classical music once you're in the competitive field. So I heard all the rags and I used to make songs in the rags. So so that is my education from there. I always
My friends, I have my childhood buddies who are into movies, Indra Kumar and Ashok Takeria.
Yeah, I worked with them.
Where, yeah, so they made movies and, they made this Grand Masti or something. And where's this song of Dil De Diya Hai? Dil De Diya Hai. What a song. I tell you. And he said, I forget the name of the singer.
It was sung and composed by Anand Raj Anand. These are very
Anand Raj Anand. I said,
very good friend of
Indu,
mine.
yeah, I said, Indu, how the hell did he make this? You know what, Sunil, how did he make this song? We just went to him one day, humko ek first class mereko karne ka hai. So on his table, he was drumming his finger and he made the whole song.
Yes, this is very true. This is very true.
Amazing, yeah.
Very true, very true, very true, very true. Even Acha Sila Diya with Sonu Nigam, I had heard a song of Sonu Nigam, and there was another singer for that album. But I told Gulshan Kumar that Sonu Nigam is the man for this song. Acha Sila Diya tune mere pyar ka, यार ने ही लूट लिया यार का, अशकों की माला मेरे गले पहना के. I felt Sonu is the man for this song, and that was his first hit song. Sonu Nigam. Acha Sila became a craze, in the mass. So it's all connected, with everything.
Absolutely, yeah. Music, I tell you, sort of fantastic.
But I'll definitely make a song for you. I can promise you. I know your range now from what you sung. I'll make a nice, very beautiful romantic song for you.
Yeah, let's
That's
collaborate.
from
Yeah.
my side. Yeah,
Pleasure,
surely,
pleasure.
surely.
It'll be a pleasure. It'll be a privilege, I would say.
Yeah. And I worked with them they made one movie known as Tu Hum. It was a regional film produced by Indra Kumar and Ashok Thakare.
Which one?
It was a regional film. I don't remember. Sab
Achha.
Golmaal Hai. It was a Bhojpuri movie. So I did that movie for them. Sab Golmaal Hai. They did. They've got various productions. So I used to interact with them during the course of that movie.
Okay, yeah, because Indu is directing Golmaal, the new one. The next Golmaal which is coming. He's directing it, yeah.
Correct. This was directed by his brother-in-law.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this one.
Nikhil, I just must just say a few words for you.
Yes, sure.
And I just heard the last half an hour of your show. And I think the entire program, whatever I heard, was you've really conducted Dil Se.
Thank you
I
so
mean,
much.
we can make out you haven't prepared for it, you haven't planned for it. It just have come absolutely intuitionally. Dil Se, whatever you felt like you spoke, and that's what has made this program the best probably I've ever heard.
Thank you
I've
so
heard
much.
so many people in the music, and I want to get in touch with you as soon as possible. So I will take your number from Vicky,
Yes.
and probably you will hear from me. And I have something which I would like to learn from you and
Sure.
get some guidance from you, basically
Sure.
related to
Welcome.
the music. Absolutely.
Welcome. In fact, I'm starting my master class, where I'm imparting the tricks of the trade. Playback singing has some tricks, basically. It's not
Yeah.
about how much you learn. And because I worked with everybody, you can name the singers. Lata Mangeshkar also I worked. There are some skills which if a singer has, if he's a normal singer, he can reach those heights.
No. I'm not talking about
I'm
those
not-
guys.
I'm
okay?
talking-
I'm absolutely.
I'm talking in general. Dilipji. But I'm just saying, and this I've started imparting because apart there are many people who are trained in classical music, but when it comes to playback singing, somehow something goes wrong. And I know those paltas, those things those ragas which are required for playback singing. Generally, so a lot of people are coming. That's why Sonu Nigam's first song is mine. Then there's a singer known as Harshdeep Kaur. Her first song is mine.
Yes.
A lot of first song of many singers is mine. It's all God's wish, actually. So
This Harshdeep Kaur is that homeopathic doctor in Baroda? That
Harshdeep
lady
Kaur is
doctor?
a singer. No, she wears that.
Yeah,
and sings.
yeah. Okay.
Yes. Then there was a song in the 90s known as Diwani Diwani. So there were two Sabri brothers.
Okay.
So that song became very famous. Diwani. They were also the first time. It was a Qawwali basically.
Okay.
So I like to
I'm
pick up
sorry,
new singers.
I'll have to take this meeting to a closure now. Being Saturday night, I'm sure everybody's throats are parched.
Yep.
And
Thank you so much. Thank you, Vicky, and thank you, Nikhil. Wonderful.
Thank you
evening.
for
Nikhil.
doing
Wonderful
such
show.
good audiences. I just did my best. Thank you so much.
Thank
Looking
you,
forward to
Nikhil.
seeing you in
Lovely
Rotary.